Hi everybody, today we're going to be ranking the Thomas and Fred Season 3 episodes. Trust Thomas. That already good. It was a good one. Trust Thomas is one of my favourites. Percy James and Fruitful Day. Great. Donald Stark. Great. Mavis. Okay. Gordon the Famous Visitor. Okay. Time for Trouble. Bad. Edward, Trevor and the really small party. Bad. Thomas Percy the Dragon. Bad. Actually, I'm going to put Time for Trouble. One of my least favourites. What is exactly this episode? Okay, let me have a check. What episode was that? Episode was that? Okay. I think this is No Joke for James. No Joke for James is bad. Thomas and Percy's Christmas Adventure. Okay. A Scarf for Percy. It's one of my least favourites. Diesel does it again. One of my least favourites. Bulgy. Okay. Heroes. Gosh, you're one of my favourites. Excuse me, Trust Thomas. Can heroes go right beside you? I know. I'll put it there. And I'll put Trust Thomas behind. Haha. Tender Engines. Kind of great. Henry's Forest. Great. Trouble with Mud. Great. Actually, we'll put Tender Engines down to okay. All at Sea. Great. Percy's Forest. You're one of my favourites. Excuse me, heroes. Excuse me, Bill and Ben. Can I? Excuse me. Thanks, Percy's. Thomas gets bumped. You're my least favourite of the season. Oliver owns up. Okay. Gosh, I got a lot of okay ones. Buzz. Okay. Where's the mouse? Where's the mouse? I can't see. Oh, there it is. Buzz. You're one of my favourites. I can't believe they used a Car2B. Thomas Percy in the Post Train. It's alright. Escape. God, this is my favourite one of the season. Excuse me, Percy's Promise. Can Escape have a turn? Toby's Tightrope. Oh my gosh, I've got so many okay ones. Okay, now what is this episode? Let me have a think. What is this episode? I don't not know what this episode is. I've had a think. Let me have a think. What is this episode? God. Oh yeah, what is this episode? Don't know. Can't even think of what that episode is. I'll just end the video. Bye.